Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with myself, James. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you the overall condition and some special features and options on this specific 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. It's presented in mineral grey, and of course we've fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Alongside that, we've added 20-inch 795M style alloy wheels, which are finished in the gloss black. Being that the car is finished in that lovely mineral grey, that everything within the black styling YNC Mperformance kit really does work very nicely. You'll also see that it's got the coral red Dakota leather, and we'll have a closer look at that as we go around. Down the side we've got the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Moving on for our first full glance at the interior, where in the front you get the heated as well as the electric lumbar options. The car comes equipped with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, professional wide sat nav, and a few other features which of course I'll take a look at once I step round into the driver's side very shortly. In terms of your rear seat arrangement, you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench with the central folding armrest and a glorious dark M Sport headlining, as you can see there, once again all in fantastic condition. Before we head round to the rear, again I'm just going to demonstrate those very nice 20-inch alloy wheels for you again. At the back of the car we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin diffuser situated on this 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. You'll find the automatic opening and closing tailgate very nice and very useful to have. Very nicely presented rear luggage capacity on this 4 Series, and you'll see everything nice and clean and tidy. Split folding seats as well to further enhance that already very large boot space. Over the other side of the car, again you'll be able to see how well and how nice and clean and tidy this car really is. The mineral grey with the coral red is certainly one of the most popular colour combinations and is a very standout feature of anything within the BMW range, but certainly on the 420D Gran Coupe we've got for you here, looking very nice indeed. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just run you through a couple of the last remaining features and functions that I think are important to see. Starting the car up, brings to life that very nice professional screen I was talking about just a moment ago. Take a look at the map view, which has real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. In terms of your multimedia, we've got DAB, music collection, USB inputs. We've also got Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio. Going back to the main menu, you'll see there that it is the newer iDrive with the separated menus, which makes things a little bit nicer on the eye. Going down here we'll find the dual climate control, which is also where you'll find your switches for your heated seats. Back over to this lovely steering wheel where you'll find the cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with the paddles for that 8-speed gearbox that I mentioned a moment ago. It's covered just over 33,000 miles, as you can see there again on screen. Heading back to the main menu once again, we'll take a look at the service status and service requirements. It's not due a service for 9,000 miles, and we've got documented service history with all invoices on paper within and with this car. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. And of course if you do have any questions or comments, please do drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You can of course find relevant contact information and website links in the description box down below. Hopefully guys, you've been able to find this useful, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. But most of all, we really do hope to see yourselves very soon here. Thank you, take care and goodbye.